All my humans became mutants. They are my friends. I used to be experimented on in this world called Clavana. Oh no, Clavana is a world where the scientists they experimented, explore on their humans that now are illegal mutants. The mutants and the humans they were experimented on, and they are Lovecraft characters, Lovecraft creatures. Oh no! The police, they come to arrest illegal mutants, including the scientists. They are arresting everyone who is a mutant. Oh no! All my friends are illegal mutants. The president, they have decided, and they have passed new laws that made us illegal mutants. Oh no! All my friends are illegal mutants.